Do you ever feel your heart race, your palms sweat, and your mind go blank when you try to speak English? You're not alone. Millions of learners around the world feel the same fear. The fear of being judged, the fear of making mistakes, the fear of not being understood. But here's the truth. That fear is not your enemy. It's your beginning. If you feel afraid, it means you care. And if you care, you have the power to grow. 5 motivational tips to overcome the fear of speaking English. 1. Speak first, worry later. Many learners wait until they feel ready to speak, but waiting won't make fear disappear. The best way to overcome fear is to face it, even with simple words. Thing, a learner from Vietnam, started by just saying hi to his teacher every morning. After a month, he was confidently sharing short stories in class. You don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to begin. 2. Celebrate every small win. Progress is not about giant steps. It's about the small ones you take every day. Celebrate each time you try, even if it's just one sentence. Maria from Colombia clapped for herself every time she completed a sentence in English. It became a fun way to build confidence. Clap for yourself. You're doing better than you think. 3. Change your inner voice. The words you say to yourself matter. Instead of "I'm not good at English," try "I'm improving every day." Ahmed from Egypt wrote this sentence on his mirror. "I am a confident English speaker." It became his daily reminder and motivation. Believe in your effort. Your mindset shapes your success. 4. Make mistakes your teacher. Mistakes are not failures. They're lessons. Every time you mess up, you're actually moving forward. Gina from South Korea once said, "I'm boring," instead of "I'm bored." Her friends laughed, she laughed, and she never forgot the correct phrase again. Mistakes mean you're trying. Keep going. 5. Practice with safe people. Choose to speak with people who support and encourage you. A safe space helps you grow faster. Arun from India found a speaking partner online who corrected gently and motivated him. Their daily chats helped him speak fluently within 6 months. You don't need many people. Just one kind partner can change everything. Speak one sentence today. Say it out loud. Whisper it to yourself. Write it in the comments. Just speak. Because the moment you speak, you move one step closer to the confident, successful English-speaking version of yourself. You've got this. Keep going. Your future is waiting.